Greetings, everyone. I am Mozam, a final year student majoring in biological sciences at FC College, Lahore. We are here to have an interesting discussion on the topic impact of family support system in the lives of professional females in Pakistan with our guest Miss Sadaf Dogar. She is a lecturer at Camp School of Life Sciences at FC College. Good afternoon, Professor.
Good afternoon.
We are pleased to have you here today. Thank you for coming. Today we have a bunch of questions for you regarding our topic.
Thank you for having me.
So, should we begin?
Yeah, of course.
Beside being a lecturer, can you get to know more about you? Can we get to know more about you?
Besides being a lecturer, well, I'm married. I have a 9-month-old son. My husband is a doctor, and I live in joint family. So that's it about my professional background. I did my graduation from Government College, University Lahore in 2016. I did my graduation from there. Then I did my master's from University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Lahore in 2019. And after that, I was also a part of the visiting faculty at University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences. After that, I got a regular permanent job at Government College Women University, Sialkot. After my marriage, so I singly moved there, and then due to obviously some issues, domestic issues, marriage problems, I had to come back to Lahore, and luckily there were vacancies at FCCU. I applied and I got selected, and now I'm in front of you.
Yeah. So, a little bit about her. She is my biosciences teacher. She taught me animal and form in previous semester. So, we will be coming back to that domestic problem which you told recently. So, can you please tell us about your daily routine, about your household work, about your university life, your professional life, your personal life?
Well, the routine it varies from semester to semester, depending upon the number of courses and obviously the time schedule that goes in every semester. But in this semester, I am having a very hectic semester. I have a lot of courses, and my routine generally, like besides Ramzan, I used to wake up around 6 in the morning, and I leave from my home at 6:45. So after my breakfast, I get ready and I leave from the house at 6:45. I reach the campus by 7:30 because I have my first class at 8 in the morning. So I just come to my office. I just go through what I'll be teaching in the class, and in half an hour I just plan out my day. So my classes start at 8, and my last class finishes at 3 in the afternoon.
So, how many hours in total from 8 to 3?
You can count.
So it's
I mean, generally we have the office hours from 8 to 4.
8 to 4,
8 to 4 is the office hour. Usually these are the office hours.
like 10 hours.
So I get free by
8
3.
hours.
Like my last class ended at 3. And then I leave from the university by 3:30, 3:45. I leave from the campus. And then by 4:30 or by 4:45 I reach home. um, then I have my son. He's just 9 months old, as I mentioned. He used to be with his dado, my mother-in-law. So she take care of him while I'm at the campus. And when I go home, I just have him and I spend time with him. And after 1 to 2 hours, because I live in a joint family, so there will be this meal preparation for the dinner. We all participate in that. And then I have my son. I come back to my room around 8 or 9. And then I have my son with me, and I just try to spend time with him. Whenever he gets sleep, then I go back to my rest of the work. I have my laptop, or if I have to do any other work, then I do that. So by 1 or 2 after midnight, that is the time I usually take sleep. and then again at 6 in the morning I wake up, and that's how this cycle of daily routine it goes
This
on.
is horrible. You have a full packed day.
Yeah.
Full packed day.
Yes.
So is it easy to manage all this, or you struggle doing in it?
Of course, there is a lot of struggle in managing all this. Itself, the job itself is very tiring and very hectic, but having a 9-month-old baby with you and to manage that baby along with the job, I mean sometimes I really don't want कि मैं घर जाऊँ और मैं किसी बच्चे की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लूँ. आई एम दैट मच टायर्ड. लेकिन फिर you have to do it. Being a mother, you have to give time to the baby. So of course there is a lot of struggle, and in my in-laws there is this no maid culture. So everything they do, everything we do, they prefer doing it by themselves. तो हमारे घर में कोई मेड नहीं है, तो हम लोग सब कुछ अपनी वॉशिंग, आयरनिंग, क्लोथ्स आयरनिंग है, कुकिंग, क्लीनिंग, एवरीथिंग दैट वी डू वो हमने खुद ही करना होता है. उसके लिए हम वीकेंड पे टाइम निकालें रात को, आफ्टर आई पुट माई सन टू स्लीप, उसके बाद मैं करूँ कुछ भी करूँ, तो वो सब कुछ हमने खुद ही मैनेज करना होता है. सो ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रगल थ्रू विच आई गो थ्रू इन दीज 24 आवर्स. तो वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है हमें.
That's horrible. That's horrible. So, just a question: if you are struggling in doing all this, why do you do? Why are you so motivated to do it?
There are 2-3 reasons for that. कि मैं क्यों motivated हूँ, and obviously कोई भी खुद को इतना ज़्यादा वो, I mean there is a limit to physical strength as well.
Household work, you have to iron, you have to
उसकी 2-3 reasons हैं. First reason is my father. Because he's been the major driving force ke he used to take me to all the interviews after I completed my education. तो वो सारे interviews पे लेके जाते थे, even though in the beginning I was really not interested in doing a job. But when he passed away, then I have the realization कि he wanted us to be a part of the society and to play a positive role in the society. Also he wants us to know about the value of money. कितनी मुश्किल से जो है वो अर्निंग की जाती है, कितनी वैल्यू होती है मनी की, एंड ऑफ कोर्स हाउ टू बी फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट. That's what he, I think, always wanted for his daughters. That is the perspective of my father. तो एक रीज़न तो ये है. दूसरी
so
reason,
he wanted to make you a independent girl.
Exactly. He really wanted us to be financially independent, and that's why he pushed us कि आपने जॉब करनी है. You will not sit at home after completing the education. So एक तो ये चीज़ थी. Second thing जो मुझे motivated रखती है अभी तक for going through all this, and वो चीज़ ये है कि आफ्टर आई कम्प्लीटेड माई MPhil एंड इवन ड्यूरिंग माई MPhil मेरे कुछ ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे थे. आई गॉट 2 scholarships एंड आई हैड इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर्स जिससे मुझे इंटरेस्ट हुआ. एंड ऑल्सो आई रियली आई माई सेल्फ हैड गुड टीचर्स while I was studying, specifically during my master's MPhil. बहुत अच्छे टीचर्स थे, they were very inspiring. And I always look at teachers and I wonder कि ये कैसे इतने young रहते हैं ना. So I even said that in my interview as well, where I got selected in FCCU, कि teachers हमेशा young रहते हैं, they always stay young. And because every semester they have this young bunch of students coming to them with new ideas, with creative minds. So that is also an inspiration कि I just wanted to be like my teachers जिन्होंने मुझे पढ़ाया था. So that's why I wanted to play my part.
And that's interesting. I will second your first opinion कि आपने इतना पढ़ा है, इतना टाइम दिया है. So क्योंकि अमूमन क्या होता है, girls study, they get high marks, everything, scholarships, and they end up in doing family stuff. और फिर वो उनकी पढ़ाई का क्या फ़ायदा हुआ. So I think if they have given a lot of time to their studies and their academics, so they should end up in professional life as well.
See, हम इतनी struggle करते हैं मिड्स में, क्विज़ेस में, हमारे फाइनल्स होते हैं, हम सारी रात जागते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, मेहनत करते हैं. तो आई मीन ठीक है, फॉर योर सेल्फ, फॉर योर ग्रूमिंग इट्स फाइन अगर आपने पढ़ा है, ठीक है, बट इट्स बेटर कि अगर आपने जो पढ़ा है यू गो आउट एंड यू नो प्ले योर पार्ट,
Your part, yeah.
positive part in the society. Your thoughts they really matter, your opinions they do matter. जब हम एक पूरे एजुकेशन के प्रोसेस से गुजरते हैं एंड इंडिविजुअल इज बीइंग ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड, सो हमारी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो रही होती है इनटू अ बेटर पर्सन.
Exactly, exactly.
सो आई थिंक वो भी अच्छा है अगर कोई एजुकेशन लेके बैठ रहा है, मतलब
That is perfectly
ऑब्वियसली
fine. Yeah.
लिमिटेशंस कुछ
Depending
लोगों को
upon
नहीं
their
है, हाँ
situation.
ऑब्वियसली. तो अगर कोई नहीं कर सकता है तो दैट्स देयर, आई मीन देयर लिमिटेशन, या उनकी वो नहीं होगी, लेकिन इट्स बेटर अगर आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती
Yep.
है एंड इफ़ यू हैव रिसोर्सेज, आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी भी है, रिसोर्सेज भी है, सपोर्ट भी है,
You have to.
तो
You have to. do.
फिर आई थिंक आपको करना चाहिए.
You should opt it.
Yeah.
I think if you are giving 16 years, even 18, sometimes we give 20 years of education.
exactly.
We do PhDs and
Haan.
postdoc and whatnot. So I think we should make it more valuable by spreading our knowledge to students and to the community and serve community. So ये तो बातें होती रहेंगी. Can we let us know about the challenges you face during your like professional life or your personal life?
चैलेंजेस बीइंग अ न्यू मदर राइट नाउ, तो मेरा चैलेंज यही है कि मतलब जॉब के साथ जो मेरा दिस माई फर्स्ट बेबी ना, फर्स्ट सन, तो उसके साथ जो है बेबी को मैनेज करना जॉब के साथ और बेबी के साथ. So this is right now the biggest challenge that I have, because sometimes I didn't even have the time to go through my lectures. So what I do is मैं क्लास में जाने से 5 मिनट पहले I just revise what I'm going to discussing in the class. And sometimes मेरा यूनिवर्सिटी में इतना ज़्यादा टाइम कंज्यूम हो जाता है कि I did not have much time to spend with my son. तो ये अभी करंटली मेरा सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है. तो इसके लिए यही है कि अभी तो मतलब जिस तरह से ये सेमेस्टर चल रहा है, ये हेक्टिक सेमेस्टर है थोड़ा सा मेरा ना. आई हैव 4 कोर्सेज इन दिस सेमेस्टर, जिसमें अभी मेरे पास इतना ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिल रहा. तो ऑब्वियसली आई एम होपफुल कि फॉल जो है मेरा थोड़ा सा वो उसमें रिलैक्स होगा, तो आई विल बी स्पेंडिंग मोर टाइम विद माई सन, उसमें उसको ज़्यादा टाइम दूंगी.
So this is the only challenge you face कि आप टाइम नहीं दे सकते.
हाँ, जॉब के साथ घर के उसको मैनेज करना, बच्चे को मैनेज करना. घर का ये है कि अब काफ़ी हद तक आपको वो थोड़ा हो जाता है आइडिया ना कि आपने, बिकॉज यू हैव, आई नो आई हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग बाय माई सेल्फ.
You can manage, but the child cannot.
हाँ,
You have to
उसके साथ थोड़ा सा मुश्किल
help him.
होता है. सो विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम शुरू में तो ऑब्वियसली घर का भी, बिकॉज यू हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग बाय योर सेल्फ, तो वो भी थोड़ा सा मुश्किल लगता था. बट अब विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम हमें थोड़ा सा वो हो जाता है आइडिया, आपको ना, आपको चीज़ें पता लग जाती हैं, आप फिर अपने हिसाब से चीज़ों को वो करके मैनेज करके तो उस टाइम.
So are you in the support of the daycare?
येस आई एम ऑफ द ओपिनियन के डे केयर में उसको लाना अपने बेटे को. बट अभी ही इज़ वेरी स्मॉल, ही इज़ 9 months, ही इज़ जस्ट 9 months. तो आई बिलीव के ठीक है, मतलब अभी ही इज़ विद हिज मदर इन लॉ, तो वो ठीक है अभी. हाँ, बाय द टाइम ही टर्न्स 1 देन आई हैव प्लान्स. वी हैव द डे केयर फैसिलिटी एट FCCU. आई हैव विजिटेड दैट एंड आई हैव लाइक्ड वेरी मच जिस तरह से वो वहाँ पे लुक आफ्टर कर रहे हैं बेबीज़ को. सो बाय द टाइम ही टर्न्स 1 आई हैव प्लान्स टू ब्रिंग हिम विद मी and then I leave him at the daycare.
So I think this challenge would be resolved soon. This would be resolved
to
soon.
much extent, yes.
Yeah. So is your family supportive with your work life?
Yes, they are. Obviously, they are supporting. That's why I'm coming to the job, and that's why I'm able to wake up at 6 and come to the job, because they are supporting me in one way or another. Definitely, उसमें support में my mother-in-law, because she took the responsibility of taking care of my son while I'm at the job. Secondly, my husband, he actually supported me a lot. By night time में, even if my son wakes up for feeding, सो उसके लिए वो सारा सामान मेरे हस्बैंड के पास होता है. मैं सोने से पहले सारा वो प्रिपेयर करके तो उनको दे के फिर मैं ही टेल मी के यू शुड गो टू स्लीप बिकॉज यू हैव टू वेक अप फॉर द जॉब इन द मॉर्निंग. सो नाइट टाइम में इफ़ द बेबी इज़ क्राइंग, इफ़ ही नीड्स फीडिंग, तो दैट पार्ट इज़ डन बाय माई हस्बैंड. तो आई रियली डू गिव ऑल द क्रेडिट टू हिम, बिकॉज ही डू दिस फॉर मी कि मैं सुबह जॉब पे आ सकूँ. और they do support me in one way or another,
That's
because
nice. That's
that
nice.
is why I'm able to continue the job.
Yeah.
Mm.
So, as you mentioned earlier that you encountered a challenge. You left
yes.
you quit your government job
Mm.
of 16, 17 scale, I think.
18th.
18 scale.
Yes.
So, एक post और ऊपर आ गई.
हाँ.
So, can you tell us more about it?
Yes. After my master's, I got this offer that was a regular permanent job in Sialkot. So there was this university where I got the permanent job. I moved there singly because it was right after my marriage. I got the offer letter on the 4th day of my marriage. And my husband, he supported me that you have gotten the offer letter. I didn't want to go initially. I was not of the opinion कि मुझे जाना चाहिए, मुझे offer accept करनी चाहिए. But he told me कि कल को having this पछतावा ना हो ना कि आप गए नहीं हो, आपने ज्वाइन नहीं किया. हाँ, तो यू शुड गो, यू शुड ज्वाइन. हाँ, अगर वहाँ पर चीज़ें नहीं मैनेज होती, यू फील दैट यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद दैट, देन यू कैन रिजाइन एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज कम बैक. So I moved there singly.
So he supported you.
Yes, he
supported
obviously
you.
he supported. Or I used to come to Lahore every weekend. I married थी in laws में, so I used to come to Lahore every Friday after finishing off all my classes from there. I come to Lahore on Friday, and then on Monday morning I used to leave from here for Sialkot again. So initially my husband used to pick and drop me. Every Friday he used to come to Sialkot and pick me up, and every Monday he used to go to drop me over there before the official timings. We start to leave at 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning so that we reach by 8 in Sialkot. So initially तो ऐसे कुछ रहा. So this job period was of about 10 to 11 months. तो इनिशियली ऐसे चलता रहा. देन ऑब्वियसली ही इज़ अ डॉक्टर, माई हस्बैंड इज़ अ डॉक्टर बाय प्रोफेशन. तो फिर जाहिर है उनकी अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ थी, कुछ उनका अपना जॉब का था. तो फिर उसके बाद ये हुआ कि आई टोल्ड हिम कि आई कैन मैनेज बाय द लोकल ट्रांसपोर्ट. देन आई यूज डाइवो. तो डेवो से मैं जाती थी और उसी तरह से वही रूटीन हमारी रही ना. फ्राइडे को वापस आ जाना और मंडे मॉर्निंग में दोबारा. वो दैट वाज आल्सो वेरी हेक्टिक, क्योंकि यूनिवर्सिटी के काम मतलब 5 days a week you are just taking the classes, so you have this pile of work that you plan to. बिल्कुल, वो ट्रैवलिंग में गुजर जाते थे. तो फिर वो भी बड़ा मुश्किल होता था. बट उसमें ये था कि आई डू हैड द 5 days and 5 nights. फिर मैं रात में उसको कर लिया करती थी कवर ना. इफ़ देयर आर लेक्चर्स, एग्ज़ाम चेकिंग, पेपर चेकिंग है, पेपर सेटिंग है, ऑल दैट, वो फिर मैं उस टाइम को अच्छे से कंज्यूम करती थी. फिर ये हुआ कि आफ्टर 10 to 11 months, ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम पीरियड ऑब्वियसली इट वॉज गेटिंग डिफ़िकल्ट. आई ऑल्सो हैड सम हेल्थ इशूज़ बिकॉज द यूनिवर्सिटी वॉज नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ रेजिडेंस फैसिलिटी. सो हमें लोकली अलग से घर लेके रहना पड़ता था रेंट पे. सो देयर वर दीज 4-5 टीचर्स. वी एक्चुअली रेंटेड अ पोर्शन ऑफ अ हाउस. देयर वी यूज टू लिव. तो वहाँ पर हम लोग फिर टाइम स्पेंड करते थे. लेकिन फिर उसमें भी ये था कि हमें खाने का इशू होता था, बिकॉज यूनिवर्सिटी टाइमिंग के बाद आफ्टर 4 o'clock आगे कुक करना, दैट वाज नॉट फॉर अस. तो वो बड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा था. तो फिर उसमें यह है कि हेल्थ इश्यूज़ हो गए, जिसकी वजह से फिर मेरे लिए मुश्किल हो गया था वहाँ पर रहना. तो फिर ये हुआ. फिर देन आई डिस्कस्ड विद माई हस्बैंड दैट इफ़ ही वांटेड टू कम टू सियालकोट, इफ़ ही कैन कम, और इफ़ आई शुड रिज़ाइन एंड आई शुड गो बैक टू लाहौर. तो ही सेड कि नहीं, ही कैन नॉट कम. ही वॉज डूइंग हिज हाउस जॉब एट जिन्ना हॉस्पिटल लाहौर. तो फिर जो है वो ये हुआ कि देन फाइनली आई हैड टू रिज़ाइन. तो देन आई केम बैक. आई जस्ट रिज़ाइन फ्रॉम द जॉब एंड आई केम बैक. My father got really upset and लेकिन मैंने उनको थोड़ा वो कर लिया था. मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं कुछ ना कुछ ढूंढ लूँगी. सो इस तरह से जो है वो फिर ये वाला फेज़ जो है वो इस तरह से गुजरा.
So were you upset too?
नहीं, I was not upset. मैं हमेशा से ऐसे ही मेरे साथ होता है कि डेफिनेटली कोई भी टफ सिचुएशन आती है, यू हैव टू टेक अ डिसीजन. सो मैं एक दफ़ा डिसीजन कर लूँ फिर मैं उसको वो नहीं करती हूँ. आई डोंट रिग्रेट मतलब
nice,
I mean
that's
वो
nice.
वो डिसीजन या अच्छा होता है या बुरा होता है. अच्छा होता है तो I mean you have the good things. अगर बुरा हो तो I believe कि वो आपको बहुत कुछ सिखा देता है ना कि आइंदा से फिर आपने you learn from your experiences. That's what I believe. तो मैं कोई डिसीजन ले लूँ फिर वो मैं करती हूँ चाहे सारे उसके अगेंस्ट हो जाए. सो इवन दो माई कलीग्स देयर इन द यूनिवर्सिटी फ्रॉम वेयर आई रिजाइन दे टोल्ड मी यू आर डूइंग सच अ स्टूपिडिटी because we know the economic condition of Pakistan, we know the financial crisis that we are facing, so job is a blessing if you have the job.
It's a 18 scale job.
Exactly, and,
No one
and it
gives
was a permanent
Highly
job, it was a
competitive job.
regular job, so there was no issue. Like my life was set when I got the offer letter. I thought now my life is set and I'll be retiring at 60 and then this and that. But yes, there were these conditions that you have to face. फिर उसके बाद we were talking about the decision, right? तो मैं upset नहीं थी because I knew कि opportunities आएंगी and we can always compete for the opportunities ना. तो मुझे था कि मुझे मिल जाएगी कोई ना कोई, मतलब later on, because my husband
You
is
were
of the
still hopeful,
support.
yeah.
हाँ कि वो he is okay with I'm doing the job, he's okay with that. So if he's okay with that, I mean later on in further stages I will get the job. So ये इस तरह से था.
That's really nice कि आप you remained hopeful and optimistic. So by listening to your talk, I can imagine how hard it is to be a professional woman in this community. You suffer, you struggle, you have to manage everything at your own. And if you are in some other city or away from your home, then it is more struggling, I think.
Exactly.
You have to manage everything. So anyways, just a question, are you giving your 100% to your family and exact 100% to your work life? I mean, are you able to take both of them equally?
Well, not precisely 100%, but yes, I try to manage. If some days I'm not giving much time to my family, on the other days I try my best that I make sure to spend maximum time with them. And then about the job, yes, somehow job is very demanding. We have a very demanding job, so we have to fulfill the job requirements. When I'm coming to the university, for example, I have my family at home, my son at home. Hardly there will be just one or two texts that I leave to my husband asking about my son. Is he okay? What is he doing? So he takes his picture and just send me over. So there are just these 2-3 texts that I do in the whole day coming to the university. Yes. Otherwise, I do not have any contact with the home. That is my sincerity with the job, because when I am here I
So you're
try
more
to
focused on
yes,
your job.
whatever I am doing, even I'm in class, in my office, because I have my son at home, so I know that I cannot take any kind of homework with me. So I try to cover up all my work while I'm in the office, besides the classes. So that is how it goes. And when I go home when I go home, I try to give maximum time to the family. That is also very demanding because we have to manage the household by ourselves, as I already mentioned. So after doing the household, after taking my son to my room, it's just me and my son. So my husband, we actually are supporting each other's profession in a way that in these 24 hours, both of us, we make sure that at least the baby is having at least one parent at a time. So when I'm at the job, my husband is also there at home. So when I go home, he used to leave for the clinic.
So both of you support each other's
yes,
professional
exactly.
life.
That's how we are currently supporting
That's
each
nice.
other.
That is the actual point which we are here to discuss. That what is the role of family for your professional life?
And
So
by the time
I think,
my
I think you have a
energy,
supporting family.
yes, of course I do have. Alhamdulillah. And then by the time my energy is draining, like by 12, by 1 in the midnight, because I have to sleep, I have to take rest, because I have to come back in the morning again. So by the time my husband, he comes to rescue again. So he took the responsibility. And then, so when I am with my son, when I am with my family, I try to, not at least touch my laptop. So I used to
You try to
start
give
work.
to
Yeah,
your
I try to give maximum time
Time
to
to
the
your
family.
child.
That is how I'm managing it. So some days it's completely about the
The
work,
work
and
life.
some days it's about family. So we do have weekends as well. See,
Yeah.
for the family. So at weekends we can work on the laptops. We can have our office work, and then we have the family as well. So at weekends, they both get managed somehow.
So
But
in short, you are satisfied
yes,
with your work life and your family life.
yes, in a way.
That you are giving justice to both of them.
Yes.
And that's nice.
Hmm.
So just a question. If I ask you to rate your quality of life on 1 to 10 scale, what would it would be?
Uh, I would rate it at like 7 to 8 on a scale of 10. Why? Because if I do get a lot more support in the form that I get free from the household work, then I think I'll better be able to manage
Like
things.
you are able to get maids and helpers.
Yes. If I do have the helpers, I mean I can manage things more properly.
More properly.
But with the life that I am having, I mean I'm satisfied and I'm quite contented with it. But in case of like because as I mentioned, my daily routine, there is this whole grind of 24 hours of which I go through. So in that I do need a lot of help. So if I get helpers, or if I'll be able to have the maids, then I think things will be more easier for me to manage. I don't have to rush for everything by myself. So I would rate it at 7 to 8. Like, I mean, there is a room for improvement.
Yeah.
And yes.
So the only reason that you don't have maid is the norm of your family, in-laws family house, right?
Because it's not like that I have gone and there were no maids. Even before I was not there, they like doing everything by their own. They are a bit religious as well, so they prefer following the sunnah, and they prefer doing everything by their own.
That's interesting.
So they don't like having the maids and helpers. So that is why
I think we should do our work by ourselves.
in a way, because
You can do more better than your helpers.
exactly, that's there comes this satisfaction, because they do not get satisfied if somebody is doing the work. So they do not get satisfied with it. Also, I mean, if because I live in a joint family, so I may not be able to ask for any helper, because the other the other persons in the house, they are doing their work by themselves. So I think it would be weird if I will ask कि मुझे helper चाहिए, I need a helper.
I can understand.
So even if I'm doing the job, that is my job, that is my headache, even if I'm coming to the job for here, I do have to do all my work by myself. So I mean, in Desi families we do have these norms
Yeah.
that you have to follow. So just following that, I mean, it's going fine by now, and yes, it
You have
can be
adapted.
improved. Yes, somehow I think it's women nature. We
You
do
adapt.
have this strength that we adapt to the changes very quickly. So I mean, it's going fine by now.
Man, that's nice. So what motivates you to work? Is it passion or just finances?
No, Alhamdulillah, it's not about finances, because my in-laws are landlords, and we don't have any issue of finances, Alhamdulillah. But it's more about passion, and that passion actually developed gradually with time. As I mentioned, that while I was doing my graduation, I don't know if I mentioned or not, but I didn't have anything in my mind, like what I wanted to do, what really I want to become. it actually transformed while doing my master's. So my master's was actually the turning point of my life, and also my father, because as he was, he was seeing us, finishing our education, and he knew that at this point of time it's very important to, keep telling them that you are not going to sit at home after completing the education. So that point actually, was the turning point, and that actually motivates me, to serve the community and to be out there, and not just to serve the community. I think it's important for ourselves as well, for the individuality, for the independent identity. It's very important. You should go out, and you have, I mean, the time that I spend here, that is me time. I don't consider it as a job, and uh, you know uh, dragging myself out. No, I happily wake up at 6,
Hmm.
even though I have these 2-3 hours of sleep, but I happily wake up at 6 and I come here very
So
happily in the morning,
you're
because
passionate.
exactly, because that's what I have, seen my teachers, as I mentioned. So they always stay young. I believe teachers always stay young. They never get old, because I have not seen my teachers getting old. So they always stay young.
So what do you recommend to other women? Should they work or should they prefer home life?
I mean,
Because what I got is that every woman, or at least some women, goes through struggles and hassles uh, in managing work life and family life. There is always a family work conflict in their lives. So what do you recommend to them?
yes, there is. I mean, it depends on every woman, every female. Obviously, there are a lot of other things that you have to take into consideration while, going out for the job. So if they have the support from their families, and husband is a very important entity in this. I mean, if your husband is supportive, if your partner is, with you, that he's going to manage, because it's not about going out for the job, it's about the rest of the things that how they are being managed in your absence. So if you are going on the job, you have to, give an alternative, that who will be responsible for all the other things. So uh, my husband, actually, he's very supportive, and he actually played this very important part in molding his family, because I didn't knew his family. He obviously knew about his family members, so he actually molded and convinced them that, she will be the one doing the job.
So can you just conclude what makes you to work efficiently and to have a good time with your family? Can you just conclude everything which we discussed today on the topic?
I believe females, they are naturally blessed with a lot of powers that even we know we had before. So whenever the situation comes, I think we have this mutation, and we start to, start adapting ourselves according to that changed environment. And about my recommendations, I would just recommend to the females, to the women, if they have the opportunity, if they have the support, very important, then they should go out, they should do the job. If they have the opportunity, if they have the support from their extended families, if they have the support from their in-laws, husband, partners, then they should go out and do the job, because it really makes them financially independent. And not just financially independent, I mean, it makes them self aware. It makes them more, to be a more positive person. It adds a lot of to the person's individuality. So that would I would recommend to all the other females. I mean, if they have the opportunity, then they should go out and explore themselves. That's what I call.
So that's interesting. So what I would say in conclusion, that there is the role of family support for having a good life um, in the lives of professional women, right? So that was all from our side. Thank you for watching.